Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to SHIB update. So we're looking at SHIB. SHIB is really mirroring what Bitcoin is doing on the daily time frame. Once again, this is gonna be a refresher for you that SHIB, rest assured, is in a technical journey to go to 936. And I do recognize that if you do come down to 936, you're gonna be destroying the right shoulder of this big inverse head and shoulder on the daily that you had, and that was here, which was left shoulder, head here, right shoulder, breakout, went to the technical target. Now you're coming down, you might come down to 983, and when you do come down to 983, maybe in the next 3 days you can do so, okay, on a weekly time frame. You might just come down here and go back up for a small pull to 1070, even 1100, and then get rejected and continue to move even lower, because I fear September, and boy oh boy, September can be very, very bad for crypto in general. So on a weekly time frame, I do see SHIB coming down to 935, something like that, and that's going to print in 3 black crows. And when you print in 3 black crows, you might end up just a little bit of a small pullback, and when you do that small pullback to 1099 or 1100, you get rejected, and the whole September can be very crashing. Historically speaking, watch the Bitcoin update yesterday and today as well. September can be very, very badly. And that's pretty much it for this quick update, guys. I did tell you that in order for us to get bullish, we need to break this flag here and go above 1500, and that would actually change the whole direction of SHIB as well. That's pretty much it for the update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.